Hello everyone, welcome to my legal friend. I hope you guys are doing good and everyone is safe and sound at their home. In this video, we will be discussing about four things. First, the present COVID situation in our country. Second is the lockdown in various states and what are the chances for a nationwide lockdown. Third is the examination news. What are the chances for the conduct of a competitive examination right now? And lastly, we will discuss about the preparation and goal and how much you really need to work in order to get a job in India right now. अगर हम बात करें कोविड केसेस की तो हम देख रहे हैं कि केसेस लगातार बढ़ते चले जा रहे हैं और एवरेज डेथ रेट जो है हमारे कंट्री का पर डे का वो 3500 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली है अभी। राइट नाउ द कंट्री इज़ फेसिंग द सेकेंड वेव, ठीक है, और थर्ड वेव भी जल्दी ही आ जाएगी। नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट्स आर इम्पोजिंग लॉकडाउन बट they are imposing partial lockdowns and the central government is still discussing with the states if a complete lockdown is required or not, although the health experts have been suggesting the central government to impose a complete nationwide lockdown. Now let's see what the central government decides. Now, coming to the question of examination, so we all know that the examinations, board examinations of various state boards and the CBSE class 10th examination has been cancelled. Various state boards have either cancelled their examination or postponed their examination. The 12th board has been postponed. यूपीएससी ने अपने कई एग्ज़ाम्स जैसे कि सीएमएस का नोटिफिकेशन और इंटरव्यू फॉर दी यूपीएससी सीएसई 2020 को पोस्टपोन कर दिया है। हरियाणा ने अपना सिविल सर्विस एग्ज़ामिनेशन पोस्टपोन कर दिया है। बिहार पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन ने कहा है कि बीपीएससी 5 मई टू 15 मई बंद रहेगा। मतलब आप ये समझ लें कि अगस्त से पहले कोई एग्ज़ामिनेशन होने वाला है नहीं, नीदर सेंट्रल एग्ज़ाम नॉर स्टेट एग्ज़ामिनेशन. So now the question is, if no exam is going to be conducted anytime soon, then what to do next? Whether keep on preparing or to sit back and relax. Well, it totally depends on you, but my suggestion is do not let this lockdown or this COVID crisis affect your preparation. Though it is very hard to do, but you have to keep on fighting. Since the unemployment rate of India is quite disturbing, and you need to understand that there was a job crisis after the first wave of COVID-19, and now this second wave has further deteriorated the situation. So the competition is going to be very tough, and we have already seen in Bihar judiciary examination and Bihar APO pre-examination. So try to turn this Apada into Afsar and prepare yourself in such a manner that now when the exams take place, if the exam is of 150 marks, you score 145 or even 150 if possible, just like it is happening in 10th and 12th boards. Now here I am sharing two channels on YouTube, which will one is for law and one is for current affairs and general awareness. You can subscribe to them and watch the videos available on it. They are very good and will help you in the examination. The first channel is of Amit Sen Gupta. He makes video relating to the current affair topics, and his videos are really good, very informative, and the language used in the video is English. So you can follow this channel for the current affair updates. The next channel is YG Law. Here you'll find videos on law subjects, and the mode of teaching used by this channel is bilingual. So the slides are in the English language, and the explanation is in Hindi.